I'm just coming to you. Given where India's position today and looking at your own business model, what is it that excites you the most about the whole story?
I think, so firstly, of course, I'm from Servom AI, currently heading the strategy and GTM for Servom's model APIs, right? Of course, Servom is in the field of building foundational AI models, and I think, one of the most critical aspects, while we are very confident in our ability to build good models that are specific to Indian use cases, right? Understand Indian languages, Indian dialects, Indian pronunciations, right? And can make an experience for Indians real. I think the most impressive aspect of that is the developer community in India, right? I think, right, as Ganesh sir rightly mentioned, it's very important that the builders, the enterprises, right, the engineers within these enterprises are empowered to build applications that are robust and that can deliver a very strong experience, right? And the orchestration layers on top of these models, right, that is what these builders are going to build, right? The most impressive aspect for me personally has been seeing how people interact with the APIs that, we put out, the cool applications they are able to build on top of it, and how they are able to, push them to scale, right? Not only does it identify that there is a need, there is a gap, right, that it does improve someone's daily life, right? Let's take the healthcare industry, for example, right? There are certain hospitals who are looking to experiment with EMR-based technologies, right? That's electronic medical records, right? So imagine a doctor-patient consultation takes 15 minutes today, right? 5 minutes of that, the doctor is probably writing some notes and sharing it with the patient, right? Imagine if instead of 15 minutes, that now takes 10 minutes because you have an application doing the transcription in any Indian language, right? Despite your dialect, despite how the user pronounces, right? If your ASR or STT models are strong enough to understand this, transcribe it well, and put it in a structured format for a doctor, you save 5 minutes every consultation, right? That ultimately could end up amounting to more patients consulted in the entire day, right? So the cool applications that developers are building on top of these models, such as this one example I spoke about, I think that's been the most impressive aspect.